we'd suggested that, because there's no edge shorting in here, you've got to wait for a bounce. And if you're going to wait for a bounce, you're better off just playing it to test that 76. Got to get by 74, 75, obviously. And then hope to see if you can run into that 76 to 78 zone. See, because we've got rising moving averages. And if the magnet's right here at 73.5, there's no edge shorting in here. Too many traders make that mistake. And morning after trend day says you buy the buy the pullback. We already know by angels and demons, this is our support zone. So range trading. We said let's think of range trading. And today, anyone who shorts, remember the momentum is up. I like tests for support. So far we've held support. And the overnight range, we figure let's do some range trading this morning. Okay, anybody that's got to the 76 to 77, got to peel something out. Just makes sense. And today is any day high again, but I'm thinking more conservatively for the long side today. And into the teeth. This 78 to 82 zone is my belief that should be today's resistance. And if not, so be it. You can go at any high. Now, a sweeper move is actually one that will come overnight and hit the 78 area resistance and then come back and come through. We have not done that. So that does not mean that we can't do that, but it means it's definitely not that sweeper move where the intent is to knock out stops and come backwards. In pre-market, the inability to break down at 72 tells us that, because it left us sitting right here above the blue line and coming right into all of the rising moving averages. So as I said, I think we can play both sides today. My preference is to hit the bounces. And if I'm going to be hitting bounces and I've got a support zone, then I'm going to play into that and then not look to be, have a day like yesterday straight up. I think we'll get a little more chop today. And the reason for that is because we had such a big day yesterday. So I think we need to digest some of yesterday's move.